No one deserves to die the way Jennifer died.
When I drove into Jennifer's estate, the police cars were right from the estate all the way around. And a neighbour was shouting, "He's at the stabbing her, he's at the stabbing her."
I read Jennifer's messages on my phone that I have, and I look at photographs and listen to videos. I don't be doing it to try and wind myself up or hurt myself. I'm just trying to keep the memory going and be flicked through them, and then there's moments come up and it just takes your breath away, you know.
It's just like an emptiness since she's gone. It's just like just a little piece of you just after being taken away.
You wake up each day expecting her to be there. When the doorbell rings, you expect it to be Jennifer. Or you hear Jennifer's music being played somewhere, you expect to see her up on the dance floor. So those things never go away.
All we did was laugh when we were together. The mad stuff that she'd come out with. She was just everything that you'd ever want in a friend. I know everyone probably says that, but she really was the best, like.
The atmosphere was amazing for me. Man come up there, it was actually quite emotional because she didn't think she was going to make it. We didn't think she was going to make it, so she was determined. And she said Jenny was pushing her up all the way. So we're amazed with that and we're so happy.